Man, oh man, oh man, man. I just got my ship repaired. Oh boy, oh boy, what experience I had. What experience I had. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Goodness. I went to planet Exenar and I got parts for my spaceship. I just couldn't find the right mechanic to get the thruster packs working properly. So when I land on a planet, I can get off the ground better instead of going. Oh my goodness. You get a little dizzy when your thrusters ain't working properly. Oh my goodness, oh my god. So, I knew this one manager, talked to him and gave me a good price. And I says, well, okay. I got a little bit of gold press platinum, but not too much. So what I got left here is not a whole bunch, but I got some gold press platinum left. Not a whole bunch, but I got some. So anyhow, they gave me a good deal. I thought it was a good deal. Like I said, ain't much left in there. But I thought I got a good deal. And man, they're supposed to keep the darn ship for one day. They gave me a lender ship. Oh my goodness! That lender ship? Oh man. That thing couldn't even pull all the damn hair off an elephant butt if they had a chance. Ooh, I can really come up with some doozies there now and then, but oh man, this is oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. It was crazy, absolutely crazy. So 5 days later, they give me a call. Hey, we got your ship done. Okay, I go in there and I'm paying a lot more than what I should have been paying. I'm like, well, there's things that didn't need change and we didn't change it. We put it in your aft compartment so you know what's going on. Okay, I didn't really think too much about it, so I just paid for it, got in the ship, and man, whoo-hoo, it works really good now. Man, I can go really quick. And that's what I like when I make deals, and sometimes the deals might go a little sour. You gotta run, man. But yeah, what experience I had with that. And this trader ship is pretty old, but hope the heck it never breaks down. So man, oh man, oh man. So I got spare parts for this ship, and my question is, do I keep it or do I sell it? I don't know. So I don't know. Guess I'll hang on to it, but Man, just experiences. Just enough to drive you to drink. Yeah.
Chief Engineer Red's personal log. I went away for a few days. Had to get away from the USS JLS for a little bit. Yeah, things get a little hectic down here in engineering. So I went to Planet Exonar. I knew a few engineers over there. Just went over there and visit. And I said, hey, can you help us out? And I said, sure, what do you got? Well, we got this Ferengi trader ship that came in and he's having thruster problems. And I said, okay, all right, yeah, why not? Got in there and everything, and of course they had him land on the planet itself instead of being up in the dry dock. And man, just getting in that thruster pack was like being in a bowl of spaghetti and meatballs. It was so screwed up. Yeah, I don't know how in the heck he ever landed this ship in the first place. So just went ahead and ripped everything out, redid everything. We got the specs from the ship, and man, it was a complete Ferengi disaster. But hey, we got it done for the guy. We got it done. It's gonna work good. Next time he has any thruster problems, he should be able to fix it himself. But somebody went in there and cut the crap out of stuff. I mean, they just went local yokel in that sucker. He just cut this and cut that, and like, hey, somebody didn't know what they was doing. That it seemed like they wanted to disable the ship is what they wanted to do, and they did a heck of a good job. I'm surprised that that guy could even still operate the thruster packs. But we got it done, so that was a heck of an experience with that Ferengi trader ship. So something I'll never forget. Chief Engineer Red Log, out. There we go. That's much better. Much better right there. Oh, Father Ferengi. He took his ship to Planet Exonar and got that ship fixed. Darn it. Had some good Federation engineers to help out on that. Got it all done. Got it all fixed. I took a machete and I made spaghetti out of that sucker. Just kept chopping away. Thruster pack still worked, but only at 25%. Man, oh man, oh man. Guess I do a better job next time. Hoping to get rid of the Ferengi so I can take over the Ferengi business. Oh my. I don't know. I tried my best to disable his ship, but he got Federation help. I gotta figure out some other ways to get him disabled. Oh.
Captain Mark Personal Log. Just heard the Ferengis took their trader ship to X-Star Starship Repair. they must be getting a good price on repairs, because we all know that Ferengis don't like to give up any of their gold press latinum. And the way they do things on their ship, they repair things just enough to get them by. And I could not tell you when the last time they had maintenance that anybody heard of that was done on that ship. So I am sure they had a mess on their hands. But I am glad they are going to get it all done. Hopefully it will be keeping them going for a long time, and they're not a hazard to the rest of us. So this is Captain Mark commanding the USS Crytek, out.
On that thruster pack. Well, I got news for you. Wait till down the road. Things will change.
It's blocking the way. Quite unnecessary to raise your voice, Mr. Bailey.
This is a message to the Ferengi trader and the sci-fry moron. You need to complete your repair mission to the Axanar planet. It is my job to see that that mission fails. You shall not get your thruster packs repaired. You may try, and I wish you the best of luck, for I shall see that you fail.
Welcome back to Galaxy News. Tonight's main story: Ferengi trader ship gets completely destroyed. And we will get into that story right after a word from our sponsor. Tonight's sponsor is Eknard. Eknard is the inventor of the pocket scanner. It is perfect for when you're traveling to different galaxies. And to get any more information on the pocket scanner, please contact us at BR549. From my understanding, the Ferengi trader ship was dropped off at Eknar, the Starship repair facility. And what I understand is they completely destroyed anything that was all fixed by the Ferengis. And, the Ferengis did the best they could to keep that thing alive till I got there. What do you mean that's wrong? Oh, the Ferengis took the... Oh, okay. I'll have to check my notes. I guess I have that story wrong. I guess the Ferengi starship was messed up by the Ferengis, because the Ferengis only partially fix things. So, it was my mistake. Never mind. That is tonight's Galaxy News.